Your refrigerator is showing you it's about to fail. And most people ignore the warning signs until they wake up to a puddle and $500 in spoiled food. Here are 5 signs your fridge is about to die. Sign number 1. It's running constantly. Normal fridges cycle on and off. If yours never shuts up, the compressor is working overtime. Red flag. Sign number 2. Ice buildup on the back wall inside. This means the defrost system is failing. Left alone, it blocks airflow and the fridge stops cooling entirely. Sign number 3. Your food is spoiling before the expiration date. Your temperature is drifting. Check with a thermometer. Should be 37 degrees Fahrenheit. Sign number 4. Clicking or buzzing sounds. That's relays trying to start a dying compressor. The death rattle. Sign number 5. More than 15 years old and you've already repaired it once. You're throwing money at a problem that won't stop. Drop your fridge brand and model in the comments. I'll tell you if it's worth fixing. Subscribe for tips that save you money.